Okay, here we're going to be doing translations. Remember, a translation is one of those transformations. Translation is to slide. So we're going to be sliding these objects. This first object, where a first object currently is called its pre-image. That's before it moved. This is before the move. It says translation, 1 unit left. So that means we're going to take this object and move it 1 unit to the left. So I'm going to take each of these points and I'm going to move each of these points 1 time to the left and then redraw the shape. Okay? So I'm going to start with this X. Please make sure you mute your mics. I'm going to start with this X. I'm going to move it 1 time to the left. So my new location for X will be here. Since X moved 1 time, I'm going to put 1 tick mark here. Now I'm going to move G. I'm going to move G 1 time to the left. So the new location for G is going to be right here. Since G only moved 1 time, I'm going to put 1 tick mark here. Now I'm going to move Q. 1 time to the left is here. So I'm going to put a Q and put a 1 tick mark in the corner here because it moved 1 time. U, I'm going to move it to the left. 1 tick mark there. So now I'm going to connect these points. And as you can see, this object shifted or it moved 1 unit to the left. The new location for this object is called the image. Pre-image is before the move. Image is after the move. Once G moved, now you don't just say this is G, you say this is G prime. Once X moved, you no longer say it's X, but now it's X prime. Q moved. Once Q moved, now you say this is Q prime. U moved. Now you don't just say it's U, you say this is U prime. So I'm going to do this second one over here. Okay? Questions about the first. Is everybody okay? Pre-image before the move, image after the move. All right, Jonas? Okay, look at this one. Translation. Now we're going to move it 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. So we're going to move each point 1 unit to the right and then 2 units down. So we're going to start with E. We're going to move E 1 unit to the right. This is 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. This is my new location for E. E prime. Now I'm going to do the same thing with I. This is an I. I'm going to move it I 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. This is now called I prime. I'm going to move T 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. This is now called T prime. I'm going to redraw my triangle. Move this T over a little bit, okay? And now what I have, where it started was called the pre-image, and where it moved to is now called the image. Questions about that?